This little strike router is was built by Ernie's Machinery in 2007. It was used for a while, but the people went out, like so many other people, and will do 8 O's, 6 8's, 6 8's or 8 O's. It's got deadbolt stops for either one on both ends, for left or right. This machine is also able to do theatrical. It's got enough width that you can put a theatrical up to 1.5 inch wide in there and do your theatricals also. It has a little spacer in here that you can drop in and change so that you have a square or a closed face, or your template is a standard full lip strike. And if you drop this in here, you can make it a closed. You can drop it in and make a closed strike. It's easy to adjust to go all the way through, or you can set the depth of the plunge anywhere you want. It has a 2 horsepower Bosch router on it. That's a good router. I mean, it's a very good router. You can do, when you do molded jams for exterior jams, you've got a 1/2 inch difference between here on almost all your molded part. There is a 1/2 inch difference. You can, if you're doing molded jams or exterior jams and you have the same dimension here, you can just stick these pins in here and they will hold the jam back 1/8 of an inch and makes it be the same as what you read right here. To set the dimension from the center of the strike, you see there's a flat spot right there and a little arrow, and you read that right there, which is reading 38 1/8, which is 6 inches difference between these two. This is 44 1/8. We have 54 1/8 and 60 1/8. You can move them anywhere you want, and the tape is easy to read and they're easy to adjust. We'll also, you can make it where the it will go, the plunge will go all the way through, or you can set it to where it doesn't go all the way through. It's very easy to set. You set right here is this collar right here it determines how deep it drops in the plunge. You adjust the depth of your route with your router, and but you adjust the depth of your plunge. If you're going to exteriors, all you do is flip this up. You flip this up out of the way, flip this up out of the way, and then that lets it go back 3/16 of an inch, which would be your difference between your interior and your exterior. Interior, flip it down, and you've got it made. Okay, I'm going to run an exterior. I'm going to run an interior jam, and I'm going to run. First, I'm going to run it with a like it was a deadbolt. Of course, you don't put a deadbolt in an interior jam, but I'm going to run it like it's an inch, which would put it right here. And I'm going to make a square cut. I'm going to move it over to the your regular cut, which we've got set at 44 1/8. You drop it in. So you can see that they're very nice, clean cuts. And there's your 1-inch wide closed lip. And if you don't put that little block in there, you've got a full lip just like this right here. And that's nice and flush. Nice little pocket. Same on either end. It's got a collar. It's got a 1/2-inch bit in it, but it's got the collar is coming with it. The wrenches and the collar for a 1/4-inch bit. If you happen to want to use a 1/4-inch bit, the 1/4-inch collar is right there, and that's the wrenches to loosen the collar and change the bit with. All right. Thank you very much.